If you install self-piercing grommets, then you need to know that Sailrite carries a variety of self-piercing grommet die sets in different sizes. And we also carry the self-piercing grommets in different sizes and colors. And these die sets work great in the HandyPress. We're going to demonstrate just one, but they all work similarly, the number 4 size in the HandyPress, how to set it up and how to use it. You'll see it works beautifully.
The HandyPress is the most versatile tool on the market. The tool comes with adapters, making it possible to use a huge selection of dies and accessories from Sailrite and other major brands. You can mount the HandyPress to any solid benchtop or purchase the portable base, and you can use the HandyPress anywhere. The self-piercing die sets from Sailrite do require that an adapter be used. To use these dies, the HandyPress 12mm half-inch lower hole and SnapRite adapter combo will need to be used, and the HandyPress thread upper adapter 1/4 inch by 20. Get the upper die, it's the one with the threaded post, and thread it onto the HandyPress thread upper adapter 1/4 by 20. Once it is threaded onto that adapter, now we can take the adapter to the HandyPress and thread the adapter onto the lower portion of the upper shaft. To use the lower die set for self-piercing grommets, use the second adapter and place it in the base of the HandyPress. Then insert the lower die. To set the sweet compression, grasp the upper lever of the HandyPress and pull it all the way down. Your task is to adjust the upper shaft's distance from the 2 dies. You can rotate it to the left or the right to raise or lower the upper shaft. What you want is the upper and the lower dies to be almost touching, but have a slight gap between the two for this particular die. Once that's achieved, raise the lever. Now we can take the washer of the self-piercing grommet. This is a gripping washer. This is a number 4 size, though we sell it in a variety of sizes and colors, and insert it in the lower die. And you want the concave side to be facing up, as seen here. Then take the eyelet and insert it in the upper die as seen here. The upper die will hold it in place. Be sure it's flat up against that die. All you need to do now is pull the lever down and your self-piercing grommet is installed. You can install these self-piercing grommets as fast as you can load the dies. Simply pull the lever of the HandyPress. Here we're going through 4 layers of banner material. Look how easy it is to pull that lever down because we have the sweet compression. Let's remove the lower die and its adapter and slide on the optional HandyPress sliding backstop for use with lower dies. This optional accessory for the HandyPress will make it possible for you to set a back fence. The U opening allows for the dies to be inserted, and you can push the sliding backstop fore and aft and then lock it down with the thumb screw on the side. Now you have a fence so that you can install your fastener or grommet exactly where you want it from the edge of your material. You can order self-piercing die sets and grommets from Sailrite. And if you don't have the HandyPress, you can also order it at Sailrite. I'm Eric Grant. Thanks for watching.